Okay, we are with the SP410 sprayer here. We're just going to go over how to the procedures on how to fill the product tank with product. First of all, we're going to obviously connect your hose, 3-inch coupler hose from the feeding pump. You're going to open your manual valve, and then we're going to move over to the little display over here. Okay, firstly, we're going to go through the procedure on how to fill the sprayer tank with an external pump. So we're going to go into auto. We're going to select the top one that shows an external pump. We're going to hit the thumbs up button. It's going to tell us to open the banjo valve. We're going to say we opened it. Going to hit the thumbs up. And now we can start filling with our external pump. When you're done, all you do, hit off. We're going to go back to the home screen. Now we're going to fill it with the sprayer pump. We're going to hit auto. We're going to select the second one that shows the sprayer pump. We're going to select telling us on top filling product tank with product pump. We're going to hit the thumbs up. Again, it tells us to open the manual valve. We're going to say we did it. Hit the thumbs up, and it's opening our bypass valve, started our pump, and now we're filling by using the sprayer pump. When we're done, just hit the off. So on the small display here, that's basically your flow meter. So while you're filling your tank, it will show you how much product is going into the tank. So if you only wanted to add a certain amount, you can see how much you got in, and you can stop it when you reach the limit that you wanted. Well, thank you for your time for watching this on the SP410 sprayer on the filling. And if you want more details, please take a look at our website.